Brian Peery, one stock you like in the Hennessey Cornerstone Mid-cap 30 fund is JetBlue. Now, the stock's done very well over the past 12 months, but how much higher can it fly on low oil and its new mint service?
I think they've done an exceptional job in looking at their competitive advantages, and now what they're doing is really this move upstream into the mint service. Takes them out of being a low-cost carrier into a more competitive carrier. I think that they've got a long way to go. They can grab some more market share from some of the legacy carriers. I think that they should do very well over the next couple of years.
And you're also a fan of Foot Locker. Now, they performed very well over the past year in a tough retail environment. I think the stock's up over about 30% in the past 12 months. What can lift it from here?
It has been a tough retail environment, and they have done very, very well. When we look at Foot Locker, we're looking at how well they're growing those same-store sales, and they're doing an exceptional job of really driving their top-line revenues and that sales growth. And as long as that trend continues, we think that the stock will continue higher, and that's when we look for 12 to 18 months as a great performer.
And then finally, you're positive on Mohawk Industries. Now, this flooring maker has really been soaring. Now, if rates rise and housing starts to cool off, will that hurt Mohawk?
I think we've got enough consumer pent-up demand from the last couple of years where consumers were really saying, okay, we need to pay down debt and not do home remodels. And so you've got this pent-up demand that now they've got themselves in a much better financial situation. Wages are starting to rise, so I think that that's going to translate into more people doing remodels in their house. People are now looking at their house really as an asset as opposed to a liability that they did just a few short years ago. So that really, I think, is going to be a great trend for Mohawk over the next couple of years.
All right. Thanks a lot, Brian.
Thanks for having me.